prevailing sailing condition, 10 knot tail, 12 knots of wind, sun. There is a bit of wave, but it's okay.
Heading and speed they're doing. I feel like I've come up to them when I look over my shoulder.
Okay, I'll check. Two degrees lower, 0.3 faster
For us.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
I have a left-hand shift. It works a bit higher. They had left-hand shift before us, they worked high. Now we've got it and we're able to work a bit high.
Yeah, a very long day on port tack, heading north. You would think they're pretty steady, similar conditions, but it's not easy. The wind is up and down between 9 and 12 knots. We're sailing upwind. When we get to sort of 12 knots, we're on the upper range of the big sail we've got on, the J0. And the wind is incredibly shifty, 20-25 degrees sometimes. So you have to really be precise and on top of it all the time to react to the differences in pressure and the shifts in the breeze. So yeah, it requires a fair bit of concentration and you just have to be paying attention all the time. The boat's definitely not sailing by itself. Definitely need to work it hard to keep it fast. But we do.
Kijk jij toe?
Session, retacked?
Yeah.
Can you sum up a bit the situation, please, Alan?
Summarise the situation.
Summation, yeah.
Nico's been sleeping, the engine's been off. He stopped sleeping, he turned the engine on, and then he made me do a manoeuvre, so now I'm really hot and I've got to go to bed. This is the situation. The weather.
Just after you go to bed.
He waited just till I fell just asleep. He woke me
You know,
up.
it's always a question that if you don't do it for the others will do it for you.
Yeah, for sure. I've just been too kind so far. But the next tax will be the next tack will be in 30 minutes. The weather situation is that we're pointing. We've got to go straight to the finish now. We're working our way up north. We had a little right-hand shift, so we've tacked. We've just done a peeling because there's a bit more breeze. A bit more breeze is filled in. We've got the packet of bunch that we're in is just behind us, about 5 miles behind us. Biofilm about 7-8 miles ahead. So yeah, it's going to be a night of J2, J0ing, sail choices, strategy, and trying to sail fast, like last night.
And we are the first boat to tack.
We're the first boat to tack, yeah, I think so, yeah. I'm not sure, I haven't looked, but yeah, I suspect the others will be tacking now. We've got a really nice right-hand shift, so we're tacking into this new shift, and it's hot.
Yes. Yes, I'm going back in my bed. And don't wake me up. Joking. Ooh, nice and hot again. It's like you fly to Thailand and then you're in the airport and then the doors are opening and you feel like poof, like the heat and the humidity. It's a bit the same when you start from the cockpit into the boat. But it's nice, I will have a good sleep. Ciao! I put my jumper, I sleep on my jumper because I have the feeling that I get skin rash.
Biotherm stack. Biotherm has tacked as well. Biotherm is on starboard.